One thing about me is when I get to the point where I'm like, okay, I'm not doing that no more. I'm not buying that no more. I'm not gonna buy it anymore, and I'm gonna figure out how to make it. Let me show y'all what I did. I'm so proud of myself. Let me just show y'all. I made my own laundry detergent. So I used 1.5 cups of baking soda, 1.5 cups of laundry booster, 1/4 of a cup of Epsom salt, and a 1/2 cup of sea salt. And then I scented it with essential oils. Y'all, when I tell y'all, it smells so good. So good. I'm so excited. I'm getting ready to use it now. But I want to just show y'all. I should have recorded it, but I didn't. Because I was excited about making it. But look at that. Laundry detergent. I'm ready to find some wash because I want to use my own laundry detergent. I tell y'all, it smells so good. I might start selling it. I don't know. We'll see.